Welcome to Happy Chippy. Friends, today we will play the game of guessing the food items. Are you ready to play it with me? If yes, let's start. I am a round cheesy food with various toppings like pepperoni vegetables. What am I? I am a pizza. Correct. Now try the next one. I am a sandwich made with a patty, lettuce, tomato and often cheese served in a bun. I am a burger. Correct. Try the next. I am a long thin snack made from potatoes and often I am a fries. Now the next. I am a cold creamy dessert that comes in many flavors like vanilla and chocolate. I am an ice cream. Now next. I am a popular carnival food. Can you guess me? Yes, I am a cotton candy. You guessed it correctly. Now try the next. I am a salty snack made from corn kernels that pop when eaten. Yes, I am a popcorn. Move forward. I am a baked dessert that's usually frosted and served on birthdays. Easy, right? Yes, it's a cake. Tasty. Now the next one. I am a sweet round treat, often with icing and sprinkles. Yes, it's a donut. Well done. Now this is a crunchy made from potatoes and found in bags. It's a potato chips. You did it very well. Thank you for watching Happy Chippy and like, share and subscribe.